78%. For many mills, that number sounds like success. But in sugar engineering, 78% preparation index isn't performance. It's the plateau. That's where knives, no matter how sharp, stop improving. The law of diminishing returns takes over. Knife-only systems disintegrate cane rather than shred it. They leave rind unbroken, fibers uneven, and juice locked inside. A shredder, however, achieves complete fiber opening, turning solid billets into fluffy, uniform material that mills can extract from efficiently. For every single point of preparation index improvement, extraction rises by 1 to 1.5 percentage points. That's not a small gain. That's tens of thousands of tons of sugar reclaimed every year. You can't manage what you can't open, and you can't open it without the right preparation system. IMCO's proprietary cane preparation system redefines what mills can achieve. IMCO alloys, because 78% is no longer enough.